that's happening on the old Milano. First real major issue that's come up. But, it's gone wacko now. I think so I've checked the gauges. The volt gauge is on the same ground and power supply that the oil temperature is on. So I've already gone through that, investigated that, and kind of ruled that out. I dicked around with the gauge to make sure the contacts on the back of the gauge were good still. Checked out the wiring, verified that there's no corrosion and everything on the wire, but yet she still does this wobbling bullshit, and it's like RPM dependent. Like if I put it in neutral and let it bring to an idle, and then I'm driving and I give it a rev, you can actually see the needle move around as you rev it. So yeah, that's interesting. I think the sender's actually gone and failed, which is a little bit disappointing considering that sender's not exactly cheap. But anyway, yeah, that's disappointing. But other than that, car's still being excellent. Can't say much other than I've done 6,500 kilometers. Everything else has been excellent. It's nice to be driving this thing and enjoying it as much as I have been. So yeah, talk to you later.